Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to solve Git warning, like LF will be replaced by the CRLF the next time Git does it. When you will edit your code push to GitHub account, that time you will see like this warning. So let's solve it. You have to type your git config core.autocrlf. You have to write here false, then press enter. And let's me here some sense. Then save here and again edit the code. Git edit, press enter. You will see this time it's not showing like this warning. So this is how you will fix this warning. Let's see again if there is any warning. Then git edit. You see there is no warning like this before. So this is how you will fix that warning with this command. Thank you.